Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join a Discord server without an invite. So if you want to join servers but you don't have invite, I will show you how you can do this. First of all, open up your Discord application and then hit the plus icon on the server list. So as you can see in the left side, there are servers and then this green plus icon. Just tap on it and then this comes up. You can see create your own server or have an invite already. So simply tap on this join a server and now you want to type in this exact thing, https then this slash slash discord.gg slash and then a name whatever you want. For example, I'm going for this burger here. I don't have any invite for this, but when I tap on this join with this link, as you can see it's invalid. But if I go back and let's say I am typing here cheese, and now if I tap on this join invite link, you can see this, I can easily join this link. So if I tap on this accept invite, and as you can see I just joined this group without an invite link. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.